welcome to my home. The boss is back. Thank you so much, family, for all of your support. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss, the CEO and founder of DecemberTheBoss.com. The link will be in my description box down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor since 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm not.
Okay guys, if you are new, this is my website, this is my home decor line. Head over to DecemberTheBoss.com. The link will be in my description box down below, and you are going to save 20% off on orders over $49.99 today only. Okay, the deal will end at midnight. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Now let's get it done like a boss.
Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh,
Okay guys, a lot of you keep asking me to create another navy blue and gold living room. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now because I am very busy, but I decided to take one of my previous video and put it together for you, and I hope you like it, because guys, of these sales for this week, oh my god, this 20% off. Oh guys, you have been waiting for this 20% off because everything is almost gone, and I am very busy. I have to pack orders like every day and night. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Let's get into it right now.
Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. 가을에 끝자락에 태어나 시린 눈 속에 피어난 I'm a snowflower. 찬 바람 몰아치는 밤에도 잠을 잊은 채 하늘을 바라봤던 향기에 속지 마요. 착하기만 한 넌 아니에요. 날카로운 대신 장난이 맘에 커다란 지구라는 섬 위에 살아가는 건 끝없는 paradise. 모두가 부정하려고 해도 눈물 훔치고 끝잎을 펼쳐내걸. 향기에 속지 마요.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Bye, peace out.
Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. You said enough finally. You know that one day I will get you off my mind, get you off my mind, get you off my mind, mind. 'Cause there's love in acting clean, love in acting kind. I'm gonna get you off my mind, I'm gonna get you off my, I'm gonna get you off my mind, Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will get you off my mind, get you off my mind, get you off my mind, 'Cause there's love in acting clean, love in acting kind. I'm gonna get you off my mind, I'm gonna get you off my, I'm gonna get you off my mind,
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Malé, peace out.
got so tired. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Malé, peace out.
Party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. Stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel